So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Doordash driver job. So first off, to apply for a Doordash driver job, you'll need to go to Doordash Dasher sign up website and create an account with your contact info and consent to a background check. So if you go to here, you can go through your Doordash Dasher sign up. So you can see here there's already a website. It's called Doordash Driver. So it says extra income now and later, fast enough for this month's bill, flexible enough for bigger goals. So you can sign up with your phone number and you will need to consent to a background check, since DoorDash really wants to make sure that their drivers are safe, or rather that they can check on your background to see if everything is in order. So there are some basic requirements like age. You have to be at least 18 or 19 or 21 in some specific regions or states. You will have to have access to a car, a scooter, or a bicycle in a few select cities, so you can deliver orders through that. You need to have documents, so a driver's license if you're driving, a valid government ID, and a social security number or tax number for a background check. And you can do some stuff for that, so just verify your identity and submit info and consent to a background check. And after that, once you get your confirmation, you can start dashing and earning a bit more money. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or similar topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.